Welcome to Yakutsk, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Historical Place. In this incredible video, I'll take you on an unforgettable journey to Yakutsk, a city deep in the heart of Siberia, Russia, located 4,883 kilometers, 3,034 miles from Moscow, a place where winter isn't just a season, it's a way of life. Arrival at Yakutsk Airport, gateway to the Sakha Republic. As we leave the airport, get ready to experience the real Russia, far from the bustling streets of Moscow, in a land where the air itself freezes and every breath feels like ice. Viewpoint of Yakutsk, a city wrapped in frost and fog. From the observation deck, you'll witness a stunning panoramic view of this frozen wonderland. Every day, dense fog blankets the city, caused by the extreme cold. A city of 384,979 people living and thriving in this icy paradise. Cold experiments. Witness the power of Siberian winter. Let's have some fun with science. Yakut fireworks. Watch as boiling water instantly turns into a cloud of ice crystals at 40 degrees. Frozen t-shirt. Challenge: hang a wet t-shirt outside. It turns into a solid sheet of ice in just 5 minutes. Frozen noodles sculpture. Make instant noodles, lift your fork, and watch as the frost turns your meal into a frozen work of art. Banana hammer. Leave a banana in the cold, and soon you can use it to hammer nails. Life in the cold. Everyday survival in Yakutsk. Locals never turn off their cars, not even at gas stations, to prevent engines from freezing, with gasoline costing only $0.76 per liter. Special winter awning covers, called Natasha, by locals protect cars from the cold. Houses are built on stilts, leaving a gap between the ground and the home to preserve the permafrost. Even in 41 degrees Celsius, 41.8 degrees Celsius, life goes on. People cycle to work, kids play outside, and delivery drivers brave the freezing streets daily. The coldest market in the world. Welcome to the unique open-air market of Yakutsk, where everything sold is frozen solid. Cheer fish delicacy, a local favorite, sold for $20 per kilogram. Venison, horse meat, and frozen hares are common items. Imagine working here from morning till night at temperatures as low as 55 degrees, 67 degrees. The sales girls even have frost on their eyelashes. How to dress for Siberian cold. 2 hats, a thick scarf wrapped around the face, and multiple layers of warm clothing. This is how locals survive and even thrive in such temperatures. Reindeer herders and Yakutia's hidden forests, accompanied by my amazing local guide, Juliana. We venture deep into the Siberian wilderness to visit the reindeer herders, a truly magical experience where you'll see free-roaming foals and traditional nomadic life. Ethnographic complex Chochur Moran, a cultural gem. Here we try the famous stroganina, thinly sliced frozen cheerfish, a Yakut delicacy. For just $5, you can even rent a wolf fur coat and take a stroll through this enchanting place. Interesting facts about Yakutsk Oymyakon, located 914 km 567 miles from Yakutsk, holds the record for one of the coldest temperatures on Earth. 72.2 degrees, 97 degrees. Yakutsk experiences 9 months of winter, with fog, snow, and ice dominating the sea landscape. Yet the warmth of the people and their culture turns this frozen land into something truly magical. Yakutsk by night, a dreamlike experience. A night walk through the coldest city in the world feels surreal, as though you're walking through a frozen dream. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the coldest inhabited place on Earth, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more incredible adventures, comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Let's explore the world's most amazing and extreme places together, because life, even at 41 degrees, is truly beautiful.